Does Webull have futures trading? Webull, once a newcomer to the online brokerage scene, has rapidly gained popularity for its commission-free stock trading. However, a lesser-known aspect of the platform is its foray into futures trading. This relatively recent addition has opened up a new world of investment opportunities for Webull users, but it's important to understand the nuances and risks involved. Before delving into the specifics of Webull's futures trading offerings, it's crucial to grasp the nature of futures contracts. These are legally binding agreements to buy or sell a specific asset at a predetermined price on a future date. Unlike stocks, futures contracts don't represent ownership of an underlying asset, but rather a bet on its future price. This speculative nature makes futures trading both highly rewarding and incredibly risky. Webull, recognizing the potential of futures trading, has made it accessible to its user base. The platform offers a variety of futures contracts, including those on commodities, currencies, and indices. This diversification allows investors to hedge their existing portfolios or speculate on market trends. Additionally, Webull provides real-time market data, charting tools, and educational resources to support futures traders. One of the most significant advantages of trading futures on Webull is the low cost. The platform's commission-free structure extends to futures contracts, making it a more affordable option compared to traditional brokerage firms. This has attracted a growing number of retail investors who were previously deterred by the high costs associated with futures trading. However, while the low cost is a significant benefit, it's essential to remember that futures trading is inherently risky. The leverage inherent in futures contracts can amplify both gains and losses. A small price movement in the underlying asset can lead to substantial profits or losses. Therefore, it's crucial for investors to have a solid understanding of risk management strategies and to trade within their means. Moreover, futures trading requires a high level of market knowledge and experience. Unlike stocks, which often have a longer-term focus, futures contracts are often held for shorter periods. This necessitates a keen understanding of market dynamics, economic indicators, and geopolitical events that can influence prices. In conclusion, Webull's foray into futures trading has provided a valuable opportunity for investors seeking to diversify their portfolios and speculate on market trends. While the low cost and accessibility are attractive, it's essential to approach futures trading with caution and a thorough understanding of the risks involved.